Oh, look, my kitty's licking my puppy. Look. Oh. Oh, look at that. Look. Do you think humans would ever do that to each other? Hell no. Look at that. And she likes it. She wants to go to sleep. She's like, yeah. She's like, keep licking. Yeah. And this is my meanest cat. That's what's strange. But this cat and this dog get along good. Because that cat can control this dog, and then my other cat and dog get along. Because my other dog can control the other cat. It's weird. And animals are. Look at her though. She's just going to town. Hey, come here, honey. Let me clean you up a little. And she'll be passive. She'll start snorting. Look at that. Peewee, you liking that? Peewee, are you getting a little massage from a kitty? He's still doing it. Coco, are you looking peasy? Are you looking peasy? Oh, isn't that sweet? Isn't that sweet? Oh. Oh, look. She's been doing it for a while. I enjoy it. They do this all the time. Look how cute. Oh, Coco. You're gonna lick her raw, girl. Oh, look at that. I think that's her little look of appreciation. That or appreciation or, yeah. Look at her. Oh, look how sleepy she likes that. And you know what's weird is that this leg right here on her is her sore leg. So you know animals sense that. Oh, now she's like, let me go sit down and look at myself. I love my babies. Look. Yes, you're on camera. Busted. Oh, that was cute though, people. All right, everyone have a good day. That made my day. But or so many animal names. Coco. Coco. I could use a bath. You're not gonna lick me? Come on now. Well. Oh, so she's coming. All right, everyone have a good day.